Unlocking project management mastery. Ever wondered why some projects succeed while others crumble? The difference often lies in the approach to project management. Successful projects aren't just a result of luck, they stem from strategic planning and meticulous execution. Welcome. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of successful project management. This guide will provide insights and practical tips that can transform your project outcomes. Stay tuned to discover the key elements that drive project success. Let's start by understanding what project management is. It's the art of leading a team to achieve specific goals within a set time frame. It involves planning, executing, and closing projects while meeting the project's requirements and objectives. Why is effective project management crucial for success? It ensures that resources are used efficiently, timelines are met, and goals are achieved. Without it, projects can easily go off track, leading to wasted time and money. First secret: always set clear, achievable goals. Clear goals provide direction and purpose, ensuring everyone knows what they are working towards. They help measure progress and keep the project aligned with its objectives. Creating a detailed and realistic project plan is essential. It acts as a roadmap, outlining each phase and task. A well-thought-out plan ensures that objectives are clear and resources are allocated efficiently. Choosing a team with diverse skills and strengths can significantly impact a project's success. It fosters creativity, innovation, and problem-solving capabilities, ensuring the project benefits from a wide range of expertise and perspectives. Maintaining open and effective communication is crucial for project success. It ensures that team members are on the same page, reduces misunderstandings, and fosters collaboration, which helps in achieving project goals more efficiently. Making use of project management tools and software can streamline processes and improve efficiency. These tools help monitor progress, manage resources, and facilitate communication, ensuring that the project stays on track and within budget. Identifying and mitigating risks early is vital for project success. Proactively addressing potential issues minimizes disruptions and helps in developing contingency plans, ensuring the project can continue smoothly even when challenges arise. Regularly monitor and track progress to ensure that your project stays on course. Use key performance indicators and regular check-ins to assess whether milestones are being met and deadlines are on track. Adjust as needed. Be flexible and ready to adapt to changes. Projects rarely go exactly as planned, so being able to pivot when new information arises or obstacles appear is crucial. Adaptability can turn potential setbacks into opportunities. Keep a close eye on the budget and expenses to avoid overspending. Regularly review financial reports and adjust allocations as necessary. Efficient budget management ensures that resources are utilized wisely and the project remains financially viable. Prioritize tasks and manage time effectively to ensure that the most critical elements of the project are completed first. Use time management techniques like the Eisenhower Matrix to focus on high-impact activities and meet deadlines. Engage stakeholders and keep them informed throughout the project. Regular updates and transparent communication build trust and ensure that everyone is aligned with the project's goals. Effective stakeholder engagement can lead to valuable feedback and support. Using technology can greatly enhance project efficiency by automating routine tasks and facilitating seamless collaboration, making processes smoother and faster. Embracing the latest tools and software can streamline workflows, ensuring your project stays on track and within budget. Investing in team training and development ensures your team remains competitive and well-equipped. Providing continuous learning opportunities helps team members acquire new skills and knowledge, fostering innovation and driving project success while boosting morale and job satisfaction. Creating feedback loops allows for continuous improvement by encouraging open communication and regular input from team members. This iterative process helps identify areas for enhancement, ensuring the project evolves and adapts to meet changing needs and expectations. Thorough documentation is crucial for maintaining project integrity and facilitating future reference. Keeping detailed records of decisions, processes, and outcomes ensures transparency and provides valuable insights for future projects, helping to avoid repeating past mistakes. Celebrating milestones and small wins boosts team morale and motivation. Acknowledging achievements fosters a positive work environment, encouraging continued dedication and effort, which ultimately drives the project toward its successful completion. Conducting a post-project evaluation is essential for understanding what went well and what didn't. This reflective process helps identify areas for improvement and ensures that valuable insights are captured for future projects, driving continuous enhancement. Documenting and applying lessons learned transform mistakes into opportunities for growth. By systematically recording insights, teams can avoid repeating errors and build on successful strategies, fostering a culture of continuous improvement and innovation within the organization. Ensuring client satisfaction at every step strengthens relationships and builds trust. Consistent communication, meeting expectations, and addressing concerns promptly create a positive experience, making clients more likely to return and recommend your services to others. Planning for sustainability and long-term success involves considering environmental, economic, and social impacts. Sustainable practices not only benefit the planet but also enhance the project's viability, ensuring it can thrive and deliver value well into the future. Staying updated with the latest trends in project management keeps your skills relevant and competitive. Continuous learning through courses, workshops, and industry news allows you to adapt to new methodologies, technologies, and best practices, driving project success. Documenting and applying lessons learned is a fundamental step in project management. This practice allows teams to reflect on what worked well and what didn't, fostering continuous improvement and preventing repeat mistakes in future projects. Ensuring client satisfaction throughout the project lifecycle is paramount. Regular check-ins, transparent communication, and delivering on promises help build trust and loyalty. Happy clients are more likely to return and recommend your services. Planning for sustainability and long-term success involves thinking beyond immediate goals. Implement strategies that promote resource efficiency, environmental responsibility, and ongoing value. Sustainable practices not only benefit the planet but also enhance your project's reputation. Staying updated with the latest trends in project management is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. Continuous learning through courses, workshops, and industry news allows you to adapt to changing practices and implement innovative solutions. Elevate your project management skills by subscribing and staying engaged with our content. Gain access to expert tips, tools, and insights that will help you lead successful projects and achieve your professional goals. Subscribe. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe.